O blank E, OW, OA, and OE all have the long O sound. Let's practice some words. I'm going to say the word first and then you repeat them. Cloak, loaf, roast, grown, roach, coal, toast, poach, hollow, slower, flow, gnome, mow, swallow, below, elbow, bow, dough, toe, woe. Excellent. Let's try it again. Cloak, loaf, roast, grown, roach, coal, toasty, poach, hollow, slower, flow, gnome, mow, swallow, below, elbow, bow, dough, toe, woe. Good job. Now I'm going to have it try it by yourself. Go. Did you say all the words? Good job. I'm going to point to a word and you say it. Ready? Good. Poach. Yep. Bow. Good job. Loaf. Gnome. That's a hard one. The G is silent. Let's say it again. Gnome. Whoa. Excellent job. Roach. Good job.